I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating straight to Privacy and Security. This is where App Privacy Report lives. Once there, tap App Privacy Report to view its status. You need the feature visible before you can disable it, so make sure your device is unlocked and running a supported iOS build. If App Privacy Report is collecting data, pause here and confirm you want to stop gathering logs. This prevents new entries while you proceed to the next screen. Once inside App Privacy Report, locate the toggle or the Stop Recording button. Tap to disable data collection. When prompted, confirm deletion of existing reports if you want to remove history. This clears stored activity like network access and sensor use. Make sure to wait for the confirmation to finish. Then exit Settings and reopen Privacy and Security to verify the toggle remains off. If the toggle resets, continue to the next slide for finalization and a check against system restrictions. Finish by verifying App Privacy Report shows as disabled and no new logs are generated. This confirms you successfully stopped it. If the feature re-enables itself, inspect screen time, profiles, or mobile device management settings because policies can force the feature on. Make sure to reboot your device to apply changes and check for iOS updates that might affect behavior. Quick troubleshooting tip. If disabling fails, remove any management profile or contact the device administrator. Then repeat the disable steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.